My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. Today we will discuss about the verses of the Quran, chapter 2, Surah Al-Baqarah, verses from 241 to 251, 55. That we are well aware that all the Quranic verses are so dangerous to the society and the civil society, and the Quran is the epic center of the terrorism, rapes, and the killing of the non-Muslims in the name of the fallacy of the Allah by the self-proclaimed prophet or the greatest liar prophet, that is Muhammad bin Abdullah. So we will begin through. We are beginning this video to with the curse to that Allah which is very cruel and brutal, and curse to them who are following the Allah and his Quran, which is not sent by Allah but the Quran of Muhammad bin Abdullah. This is the fallacy that there is any Allah. So let come down to start the first verse of this video, that is 241 verses of the Quran, chapter 2, Surah Al-Baqarah. Reasonable provision must be made for diverse women, a duty on those mind of Allah. Reasonable provision for the diverse one. When a woman has no power to take divorce from the man, because in Islam woman has no power to divorce to her husband, she can only request for the divorce from her husband, that she want to be divorced with you. This is request, and the Arabic literally meaning the khula in the Arabic, that is the request in English, or the prarthana in Hindi. Next verse. This is now Allah makes his revelation clear to you, so perhaps you will understand. It is very wrong verses. Allah do not know the true revelation, because Allah does not know single ABCD of the Quran science. Allah does not know that there is no sky. Sky is open space. But here Allah stated there are 7 skies. And after above the 7 sky, I am living there. That is my house or dwelling. So Allah is not single ABCD knowing. He is a stupid and foolish. Because this Allah was created by Muhammad, who was the certified stupid in respect of the to curb the human values or the civilization of the non-Muslims throughout the world. So Muhammad was a certified criminal, or the hardcore criminal, even more dangerous to the Dawood Ibrahim, or more dangerous to the Hitler. The first prize will go to Muhammad in the cruelty, in the stupidity, and in the having the bundle of the lies in the Quranic verses. (243) Have your prophet not seen those who fled their homes in the thousands for fear of death? Allah said to them, die, then he gave them life. Surely Allah is bountiful to humanity, but most people are ungrateful. Here Allah saying the prophet, the cowards are fearing for death. Every single Muslim is also fearing of death, because when Muhammad one teeth was broken by Abu Sufyan army, Muhammad was hiding beneath the dead bodies of the Muslims, and he told to his Muslim followers that please don't cry, don't tell me that I am here, otherwise the Jews will kill me. The army of Abu Sufyan will kill me. So even the Muhammad was coward when his teeth was broken by the feast by a Jews with his fist. And Muhammad never cried for Allah, but he cried for his daughter Fatima and his son-in-law Hazrat Ali, who was the first cousin of the Muhammad. This is the immoral value of the Islam that a uncle married to his uh, niece, as Mehbooba Mufti married with his uncle, true uncle. This is the moral values. And they are saying that they are being mob lynching. I know mob lynching is bad. It's evil against the laws of the India or the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita or any laws of the any country or even the according to laws of the United Nations organization. But Islam allows this mob lynching. Islam is a group of the mob lynchers. Islam is the group of the killers, rapists, and the looters or the robbers. Because the Prophet was a robber, a rapist, a killer of the non-Muslim at that time. Mostly they are the Jews and the Christians and the pagans and the polytheists. So every Muslim is a fear of death because we are seeing that when the bombardment or the Gaza, they are crying, save us Allah. But Allah will not save you because Allah itself under the fire of the non-Muslims. And we have disclosed the fallacy of Allah. There is no existence Allah at all. Allah was created by Muhammad for his vested interest to terrorize the Arabic people, that Allah is so powerful. And the army of Allah, which is known as Muslims, so powerful that we kill you. And when Muhammad was in power, he has the sword, he has so many vagabonds, robbers, and the killers. Muhammad committed all the heinous crime. According to Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, he might be in jail if suppose he was alive in this time, or he will be hanged in any country. So Muhammad is a hardcore criminal. Fight in cause of Allah and know that Allah is all hearing, all knowing. I am already told you that Allah is not all knowing. Allah is a totally stupid, because this Allah created by a stupid person named as Muhammad bin Abdullah. Who will lend to Allah a good loan, which Allah will multiply many times. Here Allah is a beggar. Allah is a bank. Allah is a beggar. He want to some money from the people. Allah is so helpless. Though Allah is all mightful, Allah Almighty, Allah do everything, but He also begging money from the Muslims. But this is not begging money from the side of Allah, but the Muhammad was begging the money in the name of the Allah. And multiply many times, because when some Muslims gave the supported the Muhammad in the robbery, Muhammad returned 20 times to them. It may be because this wealth which belonged to Muhammad was the wealth from the robbery or the unfair means or the illegal means. That is the criminal with the criminal activities. So here is Allah beggar also. Allah is so helpless, he is beggar also. Have you not seen those chiefs of the children of Israel and Moses? They said, one of their prophets, appoint for us a king, and we will fight in cause of Allah. Children of Israel and Moses have no relation with Islam. This is the cunningness of Muhammad, that he mingled the messenger of Judaism and the Christian, that is Moses, converted as a Musa by Muhammad, for proving that Islam is as oldest as the Judaism and the Christianity, and the Muslims are the superior, and the Moses is our messenger, not the messenger of Judaism and Christianity. So this Muhammad was the bundle of the lies. This was the greatest liar. Who will fight in cause of Allah? No, nothing said any Moses. So this verse is totally false, fabricated. in the name of the Allah. He said, are you not going to cover if ordered to fight? They replied, how could we refuse to fight in cause of Allah? Nobody who is the follower of the Moses can reply this, that we are going to fight for cause of Allah. This is totally false. So this verse is totally false, and Muhammad is stolen all the verses of the Judaism, Old Testament of the Bible and the Torah. But when they ordered to fight, they fled, except a few of them. No Jews will obey the order of Allah, because Allah is nothing in front of the Jews. Allah is a fallacy, they know very well. And the Islam is not the Abrahamic religion. This is the fact. And Allah has perfect knowledge of the wrongdoers. Yes, if Allah has perfect knowledge of the wrongdoers, then the Muslim is the most wrongdoers of this society. Because after reading the Quran, and his messenger of Allah is a most wrongdoer, one of the most wronggoers or wrongdoers, because he committed rape, killings in the name of the fallacy of the Allah. Their prophet told them, Allah has appointed Saul to be your king. Saul is not belong to Islam, belong to the Judaism. They protested, how can be our king when some of are more deserving kingship than he, and he has not been blessed with vast riches? He replied, Allah has chosen to him. How Allah can choose the king of the son of Israel, that is the Jews, or the Christians, or the pagans, or the politicians? This is totally fallacy of Muhammad. Muhammad is a liar. Muhammad is the greatest liar of this world. And all Muslims who are believing in this Quran and Muhammad, they are the hardcore criminals. The rapists, the robbers, and the stupids also. Their prophet further told them, the sign of Salu kingship is that the ark will comes to you containing reverence from your Lord and relics of the family, Moses and the family of Aaron, which will be carried the angel surely in the sign for you. It is to here the family of Aaron, which is converted by Muhammad as Harun, and Moses, which is converted by Muhammad as the Musa, is not belong to anymore to the Islam and the Islamic people. So Islam is not a Abrahamic religion, but Muhammad tried to prove that Islam is also a Abrahamic religion, and Abraham converted into Ibrahim by this Muhammad. This is the cunningness of the Muhammad. He tried to maintain that we are much older than the Judaism and the Christianity, but it is not true. Allah was born when the Muhammad was 40 years old. Means Allah is younger than Muhammad, 40 years old. When Muhammad launched the misguided missile in the name of Islam. When Saul marched forth with his army, he cautioned, Allah will test you with a river. There is no truth that the soul for the army, for the Allah cause. So whoever drink, he fill from it, not with me, and whoever does not taste except to sip from the hollow of his hand is definitely with me. They all drank, they fill except for a few. When he and the remaining faithful will him cross the river, they said, now we are no match of Goliath and his warriors. But those believers who were certain they will meet Allah reasoned, how many times is a small force vanquished. This Goliath belonged to the Judaism story, and this is inhibits in the Old Testament of the Bible. There is no relation the Goliath and the David from the Islam. David converted as a Dawood by this Muhammad. How this prophet is the greatest liar, one of the greatest liars of this world. When they advanced to Goliath and his warriors, this story is in Old Testament of Bible or the Torah, the Goliath and the David. But here Goliath also in Quran, and the David known as the Daud in Islam. These all verses were stolen from the Judaism and the Christianity. So Muhammad is a jhuta Nabi. So they defeated them Allah's will. Goliath was defeated by the David, not by the Allah wish, but the wish of the Yahweh and Yahweh, the God of Judaism or God of Christianity. And Allah blessed David and with kinship. Allah was never born when the Daud was born. When the David was born, David known as the Daud in the Islam. Uh, David is much older than the Allah. These are Allah revelation which we recite you, O Prophet, in truth, and you are true of the messenger. These are not the Allah revelation, but this revelation by the Judaism on the Torah, Judaism book Torah, or the Old Testament Bible, which had been already published in both ideology, that the Judaism and the Christianity, and Muhammad copy paste from these verses from the Judaism book Torah and the Old Testament of the Bible. So Allah is not belong to the Judaism and the Christianity. We have chosen some of those messenger above others. Allah spoke directly to some and raised some high in rank. To Jesus, son of Mary. We are well aware that the Jesus, son of Mary, does not belong to Islam. And there is no link between Allah, Muhammad, and the Quran of the Jesus and Mary, because there is no mention of the Quran, Allah, and the Muhammad in the Quran, in the Bible, or in the Torah or the Judaism book. There is no relation between the Allah and the Judaism, the son of Jesus, son of Mary. O believers, donate from what we have provided you before the arrival of a day when there will be no bargaining, friendship, or intercession. Those who believe this will. Here, Allah also begging. Allah is a great beggar, begging from the Muslims. And Muslims, who is the true Muslim? Who is the robber? And these all verses at the time of the Muhammad life. So Muhammad also gave to the Allah with his companions. For what? For what or how? Looting or the robbery of the non-Muslim women, wealth, and the arms ammunition. So Islam is a perfect gang of the rapist killers and the robbers. The last one 225. Allah. There is no God worthy of worship except Him. This is verse stating. I am saying only Allah is not worshipable, not worship or worthy for worship. Bilkul Allah is a terrorist. Allah is a killer. Though Allah is created by Muhammad, but suppose once a moment that Allah is there, that Allah is the killer and the rapist and the groups of the rapist. He provokes the Muslim to the rape, killing, and the robbery of the wealth. He provoked the Muhammad for this all heinous crime, which I have stated before. We have stated these heinous crimes. Neither drownness nor seal overtake him. Allah never drownness, but Allah was slept. When the Muhammad one teeth was broken, or Allah could not help the Muhammad, his own prophet, sent by Allah, so-called Allah. Allah is so incapable to save God for the Muslims, because in Gaza mostly the Muslims are killed by the Israel Indian Defense Forces, and these all the Muslims which are killing in the Gaza are the descendant of the Prophet Muhammad teaching, that are the rapist, killer, and the robbers. and they committed the crime of the 7th October 223 on that day when the Jews were celebrating their festivals. Their women were killed and raped by these Islamic goons because Allah has a gang of the robbers, killers, and the rapists in the shape of the Muslims, true Muslims. Now, he belonged to whatever the heaven and whatever earth. He does not belong anything because there is no Allah at all. Who could possibly intercede with him without his permission? Well, we can intervene. That Allah cannot do even single harm to me. And my curse to Allah, my lanat to Allah, my lanat to Muhammad, my lanat to all true Muslims. But Allah cannot save you because you are certified criminals, and the law of the India or law of their country has power to punish you except the Islamic countries, because these countries are following the rapist theory of the Muhammad bin Abdullah in the name of the Allah. So this is the 15 verses of the Quran which I stated to you. Thank you very much. See you. Best of luck.